Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Asif and you're watching my YouTube channel Asif Siddiqui, right? So I have been thinking which type of videos should I start on YouTube, and previously I have made different kind of videos, but I thought that was not relevant to my interest. So finally I got to know teaching is something that I could explore myself, and I'll be enjoying doing that, right? So that's why today I have come up with very new topic, and in this video is about class 12 CBSE English paper, okay? And so I'll talk about marks distribution in this video, and syllabus and the study stuff that we have to study in class 12 CBSE, right? So before starting this video guys, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get all the notification further, right? So coming to the point, this paper is for 100 marks obviously, and this is called English Core, and its code is 301, right? So actually this exam happens for 80 marks practically, and 20 marks, remaining 20 marks is for internal assessment, which is based on marks you get in speaking and listening skills, right? And this 20 marks internal assessment, which is decided by the school itself, okay? So we will talk about for 80 marks that this paper happens, and this paper consists of 3 sections, right? Okay, so in this video I'll talk about this paper into 2 phases. In first phase I'll talk about the whole syllabus and the study stuff, right? And in second phase I'll talk about the marks distribution of this paper, right? Okay, so now talking about the first phase, uh, it contains 3 sections. I repeat, 3 sections. First is reading skill section. Second is writing skill section, and third is literature textbook, okay? So in reading section there are two kind of pages. First passage is called unseen passage, and second passage which is which has a note making and summary, right? So this is the reading skill. So if you are okay with this point, this section, it takes you to the second section of this paper, and that is writing skill section. So in writing skill section, there are, I have divided this section into 3 parts. The first part, in first part, there is notice and advertisement. There is designing or drafting poster. There is formal and informal invitation and its replies, right? And only one question is asked in this part. Now second part of writing section, that contains, that is of letter writing, right? So letter writing further divide, so further letter divided into 2 kinds of letter. First kind of letter which is called official or business letter. Second kind of letter which is called letter to editor, right? So in official or business letter, there are letter regarding making inquiries, letter regarding placing orders, letter regarding raising complaints, letter regarding asking for giving information, letter regarding replies, right? And talking about the letters to editor, it has uh, you know um, giving newspaper, I mean I mean giving suggestion or opinion to public health issues, newspaper article, right? Debate, speech, and report, right? So these are kind of letter writing, right? And the third part of same section, third part of writing section, that is long composition writing, and it contains, so it is kind of argumentative, that contains many words, and this includes report writing, this includes debate, includes speeches, right? So these are presented in argumentative way, and that contains many words, right? So if you are okay with the second part of, I mean second section of this paper, it takes you to the literature textbook, right? So literature textbook contains two text book, right? So first is Flamingo, second is With Stars, right? So the question which is asked in this section is from these two books only. So in Flamingo, what happens? There are two kind of section. First section is prose, second section is poem, right? So there are six chapters in prose, there are six chapters in poem, okay? That contains 12 chapters in Flamingo. And talking about Vistas, this is second textbook for this section. So in Vistas it contains 11 chapters, right? So these were the syllabus and chapters. Now coming to the second phase that I earlier have told, marks distribution of this paper. So in this paper, what happens? It is for 80 marks, and this happens for 80 marks examination, right? Purpose. So reading section that contains 20 marks. So unseen passages there are, and that contains I thought unseen passage that contains 8 marks, and note making that contains 4 marks, and 4 marks for summary that totals to 20 marks. In writing section, the first part of writing section, that notice and advertisement and all that contains 4 marks, and only one question is asked. The second part of the writing section, that's just later writing, that contains I think 6 marks, right? And third part of this section, writing section, that contains 20 marks for long writing of. Now coming to the literature textbook, the marks is according to the question asked. So there are 8 questions asked in this section. I mean 8 objective type question asked, which contains 1 marks for each, right? And later on there are 70 textual question, right? 7 textual question, and that's in which 5 are short answer type question, which is asked from both of the book, Flamingo and Vistas. And talking about the rest 2 question, which is a long answer type question. So one out of 2 question which is asked from Flamingo, that is beyond the text, and we have to answer in long words, and so this long answer type question contains 6 marks. So one more question of long type answer asked from Vistas, that is also from beyond text, or maybe from writing character sketch, and that contains 6 marks too, right? So long answer type question, 2 questions that contains 12 marks, 6 each, and 5 short answer type question that contains 2 marks for each, that is 10 marks, and 8 objective type question, 1 marks for each question, that contains 8 marks. So total it becomes right 30 marks, okay? Right guys, so that's all for this video guys, and guys, I hope you liked my video, and please guys, if you have any suggestion and feedback, let me know, so that I could make changes if necessary, and I could deal with it further, right? And guys, if you want me to make videos on certain topics and something, please let me know in the comment box, right? And guys, we need please like it and subscribe this channel, right? So yeah, that's all for this, and thank you so much, thanks for watching.